Kero-kero. Kero-kero.
Ooh.
Gero-gero.
Kero-kero. You know that? This is an animal. Oh, it's like chicken. Can you give us a tip? Horse? It's a frog. I have no idea. Sounds like a bird. I don't know.
Frog? No. Yes. Yeah, frog.
Frog? Frog? I don't know. It's a frog.
Oh, yeah.
It was my first guess, but
A frog. Kero-kero. Frog.
Okay.
Really?
In Germany, it's walk.
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 Coke-a-doodle-doo. Yeah. Coke-a-doodle-doo.
Ah.
Coke-a-doodle-doo.
Oh, that's like a cockerel? Cockerel, yeah. Like a hen?
Coke-a-doodle-doo.
Like a bird.
Oh, that sounds like a bird. A dog. It's not chicken, but the male one. The male chicken.
Rooster. Chicken.
Rooster, yeah.
Rooster.
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 A rooster. Oh, I should have said like cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay. In German it's kikeriki. Kikeriki, and in French it's cocorico.
Nyan-nyan. Nya-nya. Nyan-nyan.
Nya-nya.
Nya-nya. Nya-nya. Nya-nya.
I don't know.
Duck?
Nya-nya.
Duck? Is it a duck? Is it cat? Cat. Cat. Meow. Meow. Cat.
Cat.
Cat, yeah.
Cat. The answer is cat.
Really?
Yeah.
Meow.
Yes.
Yes. Well, you're saying the song? Yeah.
Okay. Yes. That's right.
In German it's almost the same.
Really?
Meow.
Meow.
Meow.